So you've just read chapter 6 from The Mouse and the Motorcycle that was entitled A Peanut Butter Sandwich. So in your packet on page 27, you are going to answer these questions and then answer these true and false questions. And if you don't know, make sure that you go back and look in the chapter again. Don't just try to guess. Okay? So go ahead and hit pause while you're doing this page, and then I'm going to talk to you about the writing task for chapters 5 and 6. Okay, make sure that your name is on all the pages, and we're going to look at the writing task for chapters 5 and 6. And it says, imagine that you recently purchased the Mountain View Inn. You realize that it needs a lot of work. The first room you decide to renovate, which means to fix up, is room 215. When you begin the work, you discover a knothole underneath the window. You suspect that mice must live inside the walls. You decide to have someone remove the old wall, clean the space in between, and then put in brand new drywall. What a sight it was when the drywall came down. You could have never imagined that there would be so much stuff in that cramped little space. Describe what you saw. So basically, you are describing Ralph's house that he lives in with his mom and his squeaky little brothers and sisters. So it says, what items did you find? What ordinary household objects did the mice transform or modify for their own use? So you might want to make a list on another sheet of paper, and then you can use this for your actual writing. And I gave you the sentence starter in the PowerPoint. So after you've listened to this, you can go back and look at that sentence starter and copy it down. But think about what fun household objects mice could use for objects that we have in our house. Like, what could they use for a couch? What could they use for a table? What could they use for a bed? So think about all those little things. If you've ever read the books, The Littles, they use a lot of fun things, little things for different furniture in their house. Like, I think they use a tuna fish can for a footrest and things like that. So I want you to think about that and work on this page. When you finish this page, okay, and again, the sentence starter for this is in the PowerPoint on our website for chapter 6. But when you've finished your writing and you've decided what objects that are going to be found in the wall, then this page on the back is what a wall looks like under the sheetrock. So when they took down the wall in room 215, there was all kinds of stuff in here, right, where mice were living. So you're going to draw what you described on the other page, okay, and add some color to it also. So you might draw a little living room here and a kitchen here, and just do some drawing of how Ralph's family was living. All right. So I hope, if you have any questions, email me. I hope that you have fun with this and you are creative. And I think that we need a clue word. And so let's do little. Let's use the clue word little. So have fun. Be creative. I will see you soon.